Plus Promotions. Today I'm going to be running a guide of our business process questionnaire. Well, it's sales, marketing, and business processing. So business processing being logistics. So basically making your business more efficient. So taking systems, making them talk to each other, improving the website's product offering to your clients, making the website a centralized hub for client interaction with your company. So fields to fill out your company name, primary contact, other attendees, so date, um, type, which is who the attendee is, area of interest, so which areas are you interested in improving in your company. Checklist, do you want to look at sales and marketing, yes or no? Operations, yes or no? Extreme reporting, so extreme amount of data, yes or no? Lifestyle, so resident lifestyle, so if you have occupants, how are they interacting with your system? Other information that we're going to require before we draft up a little proposal for you would be what are the most important aspects you would like to see on your website? So in terms of improvement or in your business, what areas, okay, it's not super important to have everything correct right now, but what areas need to first tackle the biggest problem first and then make improvements as we go. So give us a list of what your biggest issues are now and we can make lists that will help going forward. Um, what do you have in your current system that's absolutely required in any new system that you consider using. So, what system is essential to the running of your business at the moment? Um, what components of your current system would you like to avoid in your new system? So, what areas don't you like about the current system that you have? Due to the fact that you're looking for a new system, there must be new functionality, process, benefits that you are looking to achieve with the change. What are the most important what are the most important benefits slash functions that you're looking for? So again, these are probably the same way of asking uh, different ways of asking the same question, but it's important that you take the time and go into detail and actually consider these questions because it's more of an exploration into um, what you want to achieve with your business as opposed to something that is, we're not just asking questions for the sake of it, it's just trying to get you thinking about it. So organization and sales process. So what is the business stage of your community? So are you newly established, newly incorporated, or have you been existing for a long time? Um, you don't might not need to upload documents here, but if you want to upload any documents like the proving how long you've been established or anything like that, you can please send them on. Sales cycle. What are the main sources of leads? How does a customer contact you or get information from you? And how are prospects recorded and tracked? So how do you interact with your most important element of your business, which is your customers? Um, how do you get new customers? And how do you track them? How do you keep interacting with them? Competitors. Do you have competitors? If so, well, that's a yes or no. How do you track their offerings? So how do you monitor what your competitors are doing? Do you track mm, results, the competitors' results? So if someone has contacted you and wants to work with you, and then they go off and work with someone else, do you interact with them on that level? Do you have sales literature? Um, that helps you address your customers' concerns during sales interactions or onboarding interactions. If you do, we can take some of this. Please send it to us. We can take some of this and we can actually implement systems around this. Do you associate competitors with product services of yours or to understand how they compete? So again, do you have a kind of a roadmap for what your competitors do? Uh, who should maintain competitive information? So who should maintain that information or who should keep it up to date? Evaluation. Uh, what things need to change to make sales more effective? So what things need to change to make the sales process more effective? So um, by the sales process, we're not just saying like onboarding new clients, we're saying retaining clients, how clients are interacting with the business. Um, what things need to stay the same? Uh, what sales reports are used or desired? So, what sales reports um, are you generating? What would you like to see? What level of data do you want to see on clients? Um, we can go like, oh, look, better to have as much data as possible, but also you don't need to micromanage every element of it. So, what are the big picture stuff that you want to pop in there? Um, are there corporate reporting requirements? Do you have to report to board members, shareholders, those type of things? Uh, Marketing automation. How do you plan and budget your marketing campaigns? How do you track marketing costs, activities, and schedule for each campaign? What are your current most productive marketing tools? Do you have a nurture campaign, newsletter program, or regular e-letters? Does your community have a special focus? How does your marketing reflect this speciality? What type of reports are used in relation to marketing automation? Um, what marketing literature do you use? Project and team knowledge, so important for us. A list of your current team and what their expertise is, so name, role in the company, and CRM experience, so their level of experience. If you can submit all this and send it on to us with as much detail as possible without driving yourself insane, that'd be great. And we'll be able to come back to you from there with a bit of a plan. Thank you so much for taking the time, and I hope that was helpful. Bye bye.